The objective of this lesson is to understand the sum product formula in Excel. And in order to do so, I'm going to go with an example. So assume you have a fruit, you have the price per fruit, and you have the quantity sold. So in case you would like to know what is the total sales, you would have to do equal price times quantity for each item. So you drag the formula down, and then you have to sum everything, and you'll get 1717. So Excel does this in one step if you use the sum product formula. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to say sum product, open parenthesis, array 1. Array 1 is my price. What is my array 2? Is my quantity. So what it will do, it will give me the same result obviously. It will do what I've done here manually. Multiply the first line of each array, sum it with the second line of each array multiplied, etc. Now, if you have 3 variables, so let's add here a country, for example. So if I want to know the answer for the total sales, again, manually, I will have to multiply all this by the country variable, and then I'll get 7,688. With sum product, I just put a comma, add a third array, and I get the number automatically.